Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. My name is Dinkar and I welcome you all in this session. I hope everybody is doing great, feeling healthy and fine. As you all know that Reserve Bank Grade B examination is a very high profile examination. It has a very high profile regulatory bodies of the India. So that is why this examination is also being conducted at a very large level, and lakhs of aspirants apply for this examination in order to secure a job over there. Because if you get selected in the RBI Grade B examination, that means you became some of the elite people who will be working for this regulatory bodies. Right now, the RBI Grade B 2022 results were out, and we are being running our RBI interview series, and people are sharing their strategies and details with everyone. So during that strategy and detail, they are also being discussing regarding like what is the motivation factor behind them, and what keeps on motivating these people. So first of all, people get motivated by the job profiles. Then people get motivated by the power you will get under this working condition. And the third thing is that how much compensation, how much monetary benefit you are going to get once you are working over there. Okay, so people have a lot of confusion regarding the salary structure, regarding the RBI salary structure when you get selected for the grade B officer post. So that is why, in order to remove that confusion, we have come up with this lecture series in order to make you aware regarding the all the aspects of the salary, what are the benefits and everything that you are going to get, what is the job profile and working condition in the RBI. So with all this, we have come for you like a compact series where we wanted to discuss all these things with you, so that all together your all the confusion should get vanish away. And here, this is the video especially for all of you to just understand this, what you are going to get, what is going to be the job profile, what is going to be job structure, what is expected from you, what is the scale of promotions over there. Everything you will be getting discussed over here. So from today, just sit over here and listen to this video, and all your queries will be solved by just listening to this lecture. Okay, so let's start with our session. So this is RBI Grade B salary structure and job profile discussion. So we will be discussing in this whole session regarding the salary structure. Okay, 1 minute. We'll be discussing regarding the salary structure. Then salary slip also we have taken from some places, because I think it is available somewhere. Then we will be discussing the pay scales. Pay scales mean like at what time your pay scale will rise, and how much time it is going to rise, and which till which year it is going to rise, and after that at what time it becomes stagnant and everything. Okay, then what is your career growth? What is the career growth you are going to get in the RBI examination? What is the job profile once you get selected as a RBI Grade B officer, and what is expected? Your roles and responsibilities, though they will give you the roles, and then you have to bear all these roles with the full responsibilities. Okay, this all things we are going to discuss today in this session. Okay, so first of all, we will be discussing regarding the salary structure. Okay, sorry. So the salary structure, whenever we say regarding the salary structure, always everything is calculated based on the basic pay. Okay, so basic pay standard is at 55,200. So this is the basic pay. So using this basic pay, we will be finding out all the other things. Okay, grade allowance, dearness allowance, everything is calculated as a percentage of the basic pay. So in RBI, you have a basic pay of 55,200, and then grade allowance, like you are selected as a grade B officer. Okay, so you will be getting a grade allowance of 11,500. Then DA, what we call it as Mehngai Bhatta also. So this keeps on changing. This keeps on changing based on the situation in the economy. So as per recently that we have got the data, it is 26,086 rupees is there. Then a special pre-requisite allowance is there, that is 4,191 is there. Then we have a house rental allowance, that is HRA, that we are having. Okay, that is 8,280 rupees that you are going to get. And if you are using the houses of the RBI quarters. If you are using the house that is there in the RBI quarters, so you will not be getting this allowance. Okay, if you are not utilizing the RBI housing, then RBI will be providing you with 8,280 rupees as a rental allowance. Okay, then you will get a special allowance for that direct recruitment. Okay, that is 9,750 rupees. Then local compensatory allowance, like if you are moving here and there and all those things, local compensatory allowance, like if you are at Mumbai, if you are at Bhubaneswar, if you are at Chennai, wherever it is, then you will get local compensatory allowance. Okay, that is 5,468. Then a special grade allowance is also there, that is 920 rupees. And then learning allowance is there, that is 9,200 rupees that you are going. So adding all these things together, your gross pay becomes 1,23,895 rupees. That is the gross pay. Okay, still deductions will be there. Okay, so now we are moving towards the deductions. What are these deductions? First of all, from the salary they cut the NPS amount. So that is 10,171. National pension scheme is there. Then profession tax is there everywhere, whether in your public company, whether you are in a private company, wherever it is. Every month 200 rupees is cut as a profession tax. Okay. Then meal coupon deductions will be also there. 400 rupees will be deducted for your meal coupon. Okay, then there is another MAF deduction is there, that is 300 rupees is there. Then this one, that is Reserve Bank Officers Cooperative Society Mumbai, there is a deduction of 1000 rupees that is happening. And then you have a income tax deduction of 28,477 rupees. Okay, so this income tax deduction will be based on like how much you have shown. Like if you have done any kind of investment of your money, so maybe your income tax may get reduced to some extent, because you have to show, like if you have invested your money somewhere else, so based on that you can get some relaxation on the income tax, but not that much. Okay, slight changes can happen in the income tax deduction, but not too much. Okay, so these are all the deductions, okay. So once now we have moving into the salary particulars. So here if we see, we have got a salary slip, what we have seen whenever we see a salary slip. Normally the salary slips comes like this. So if you see again over here, we have all the things over here: basic pay, grade pay, DNS allowance, special pre-request allowances there, then HRA is there, special allowances there, local compensatory allowances there, special grade allowances there, learning allowances are there. So altogether 1,23,895 rupees is there. Then from here we are getting the deductions of all these places. Deduction will be of your NPS, profession tax, your meal coupon discount is there, MAF deduction, then RBI Officer Cooperative Credit Society deduction is there, then income tax deduction is there. The total deduction is around 40,548. Okay, total deduction. So if we remove this 40,000 from 1,20,000, so total net pay that you are going in hand, what you are going to get is 83,347. Okay, what you are going to get, 83,347 that you are going to get in your hand salary every last day of the working day of the month. You will get the message in your mobile like this much money has been credited to your account. Okay, so that is a very happy period of everybody. People will be expecting their salary and they were making the plans of various things. Okay, fine. Now coming into the pay scales. Pay scale means like at what time your pay scale and how is it is going to be increased and how many year it is going to increase. Okay, so first of all you have started with 50,200, that is the basic pay. Okay, from basic pay only everything is getting calculated. So your basic pay will keep on increasing till 9 years by an amount of 2,850. Okay, so for the next year, like for first year 50,000 55,200, then you add 2,850 for the next year. Okay, till 9 year 2,850 will be added every year. Okay, every year. Okay, so after 9 years you will be under the basic pay of 80,850. Okay, 80,850, and this 80,850 will go for 2 years. Okay, and every year there will be 2,850 addition over there. Okay, every year 2,850 addition will be there. Then your basic pay will become 86,550, and then this series will going on for 4 years. Every year there will be a addition of 3,300 rupees. Then after that 4 years you will be under the basic pay scale of 99,750, and this will be going till 16 years. This will be going till 16 years. Okay, so this is the your pay scale. This is your pay scale, right? Now what is the career growth? What is the career growth in the RBI Grade B examination? So you start as a manager. Okay, you start as you joined as a Grade B in the manager category. You started, right? Then you became AGM. You became AGM. Then you became DGM. Then you will become GM. Then you become CGM. Then you become PGM, Principal General Manager. Then you become ED, and then you become DG, Deputy Governor. Okay, so maximally anybody who has joined at a Grade B level, and if somebody has joined at a very early stage like 21 or 22 years of his age, if he or she has joined in the manager post, so there is a very good chance that the person may reach up to deputy governor level. Okay, very good chance of reaching towards the deputy governor level. Normally the people reaches towards the stages of chief general manager, principal general manager, like that. Okay, and people say that what about the governors? Governors are being appointed by the government of India by looking anybody who is been the core of the economics, maybe a part of the economic background, or a very kind of a person who has done various kind of research in that field, or he has been a person with eminent knowledge in that area, like if we say our Raghuram Rajan ji. Okay, he is neither been a part of any hierarchy of the RBI. He has never been the part of any Grade B examination, but he has been appointed as a governor of Reserve Bank of India by the government of India, because he is been the professor of economics. He has been the part of IMF. He has given various research papers. So based on his knowledge and based on his research and everything, he has been appointed as the governor of the Reserve Bank of India, right? So these are the people with eminent. But sometimes if you are that much of lucky, and if government thinks that you can be the governor, then government may also appoint the Grade B officer also as the governor of Reserve Bank of India. But for a long time this has not been happened yet. Okay, but it is not being that it cannot happen, it can happen. Now allowances, people say that okay, that is the salary that we get it, but now what are the allowances that we get? So there are two type of allowances that RBI gives. First, monthly allowances. Another one is yearly allowances. Monthly allowances every month along with your salary you will get. Okay, you can utilize all these things. Yearly allowances for yearly purposes. Okay, so first of all we are moving towards the monthly allowance. Okay, so people will be utilizing their cars, maybe bikes, so they require petroleum. Okay, so maybe I think in the city area they give around 180 liters of petrol, and in the normal area they give 150 liters of petrol. So see guys, I am not very sure regarding this how much liter they give, but I have just given you a general number. Okay, so don't take it seriously. Okay, I just remove this. Okay, but they give you that much that it is sufficient for you. Okay, if you are not too much of doing too much of driving and all those things, it is sufficient for you. Okay, then maid allowances. Okay, everybody keeps a maid in their houses, so that is why maid allowances is given. Then phone, everybody is having phones, smartphones, so for recharge and everything, for internet users, everything is then. So internet allowances, phone allowances, maid allowances, learning allowances, like if you are buying any books or if you are taking any subscription books and everything, for that also you will get compensated. Newspaper allowances, everybody knows that if you are part of RBI, you should read newspaper, economic newspaper and various other newspaper. You became well versed with what is going throughout the world. Okay, then convenience allowance, like if you are taking any bus, train or anything, they will be providing you with convenience allowances. Then grade allowance, I have already told you, like in the salary slip only you are getting the grade allowances, like you are a grade B officer, you are getting that grade allowance. And dearness allowance, that is Megai Bhatta, that is already being included in the salary. Sodexo coupon, people utilize this for meal coupon. Sometimes they wanted to buy something from outside, so that is Sodexo coupon. And equipment maintenance, like your laptop, your mobile. Sometimes you wanted to put, like sometimes they have some device problem, sometimes they got broken up, sometimes you have to put a cover on that or scratches and everything, so you get that money for your equipment maintenance also. So these are all monthly allowances. Okay, now 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 we are moving towards the yearly allowances. Yearly allowances are like medical allowance, medical allowance, like if you have any kind of like medicines that are going on, if you have been like in the hospital, or if you get admitted in the hospital for some days, so you will get the compensation for all these things. Then spectacle allowance, like if you wanted to change spectacles, you wanted to have lens things and everything, that you also get it. Okay, then children education, RBI also provide money for your children's educations also. Okay, then you get furniture allowance, like every year you get, like if you have any kind of wear and tear that is happening in your furniture, if you wanted to buy some things, for that also certain amount has been put. Okay, certain amount, like for spectacles, for children education, for furniture, all specific amount has already been set. Specific amount. It is not like that whatever you buy, you will be paid. No, they said that okay, children education up to rupees 20,000 RBI will pay. This is just an example, just an example. So after 20,000, it is you have to pay. Furniture allowances, okay, I will give 20,000. Okay, RBI will say I will give 20,000. After 20,000, if you're buying anything, you have to pay. Okay, then you get the book grant allowance. You buy the books and you just take the compensation from the RBI. And briefcase allowance, as you all know that in the older ages, people used to take the briefcase to their offices and various other places because they have to keep files and everything on that. But right now the briefcase has been converted into the laptop bags and the shoulder bags. So I think slowly this concept will be changing and the briefcase will be changed to the shoulder bags. Okay, so that allowances is also given over here. Okay, now people normally ask, what happens when we join as a grade B officer? What happens then? We got a result, we got selected. Now what will happen? Okay, now after you successfully pass all the three phases of the examination, phase 1, phase 2 and interview, okay, right, you have to go for first 15 weeks of training in the RBI college. Okay, right, and after the training period you will be put under the 2-year probation period. Probation period means at that time your job is not permanent till now. Okay, they are still checking whether you are good for RBI or not. 2-year probation, whether you are able to going to work properly or not, or whether there is a problem with you, or RBI thinks that you are not eligible for this job and you are not able to do this job. Okay, so that is why RBI keeps some year as a probation, and sometimes this probation period also gets extended till 4 years. Okay, that means you are still not permanent over there. Okay, after that, once your probation period is over, then RBI say that now, yes, now you are a permanent member. Okay, minimum it is 2-year probation period and it can be extended up to 4 years. Okay, so during this time, 2-year probation period and all these things, you will be appointed in the various departments of the RBI. In the various departments of the RBI, you will be allotted, and based on that, roles and responsibility will be given, and you will be given various responsibility like issuing and circulating of the currencies to the nationalized bank. Okay, you have to make sure that whether the banks, whether the financial markets are working smoothly or not. Then you are going to manage the central government bank accounts and everything. So everywhere you will be put over there, and there you have to manage the work, you have to learn the work, you have to see how the work is done over there. Okay, then what is the work culture in the RBI? What is the work culture in the RBI? So very, very smooth working things are there in the RBI, because RBI is not a normal thing. RBI is a regulatory body. It is not a bank, right? RBI is a regulatory body which controls all the bank, right? So RBI has a fixed working hours. Normally, they people go at 9 a.m., come at 5 p.m., but sometimes it goes early also, sometimes people go late also. And you will get Saturday, Sunday off, weekly 2 days off is there. Okay. And you also get sanctioned holidays are there. Every year you have a sanctioned holiday. You can go there wherever you wanted to enjoy. Some places RBI has their own guest houses and everything, so you can take all the benefit out of it. So in the work, like if you are working with the RBI, you have a good work life balance. Because if you are working in any other nationalized bank, you are being under a various pressure situation, because you will be dealing directly with the customers. Okay, here you only have to deal with the banks. Okay, you are regulatory body, you are guiding the bank, you are ordering the bank to do this. Okay, right? So you have your everything is fixed over here, right? So now, are you figuring out to appear in the RBI Grade B 2023 examination by looking all these things? I think now you are really looking for giving this RBI Grade B examination. So guys, the time is now. Time is now, because this is the very, very moment from where you can start your preparation for this examination, because this examination needs 7 to 8 months of rigorous preparation. 7 to 8 months of rigorous preparation. So that is why we have come up with a personalized mentorship batch program. There we will be providing you with 6 months of rigorous preparation. Okay, so in the descriptive box, we have been already sharing the link for this program. So we have very, very less seats that are available for this program. Only 100 seats were there, and they are mostly getting filled. So if you really if you're really serious about this program, then only join this program, because here we are providing personal mentorship to each and every student. Okay, that is why we have keep very lesser number of seats, because we cannot provide mentorship to everybody. So these 100 people will get the full mentorship from our side. Okay, and we have been already we have already run this our RBI Grade B 2023 basic foundation courses have already been covered. 60 lectures have been covered in that, and we have already built the basic concept of the people in the ESI, FM, and your finance and management. Okay, so if you're really serious about this foundation work, like if you think that first of all you need some kind of background, some kind of foundation, so this is for you. So better you join this along with our RBI foundation course. So RBI foundation course plus RBI Grade B, RBI Grade B mentorship batch, you can be the next topper in the RBI Grade B 2023 examination. So you can just simply go there and check the course foundation course and RBI mentorship batch, and you will come to know regarding what all the things we are providing, what is the quality that we are going to provide. You just go and see, some free lectures are there. Okay, we have also put free lectures of some of the foundation course. We have already put some free lectures. You can go and check over there, and you will be able to find out the quality of the content. Okay, so guys, this course will be offering you the live video batches, comprehensive coverage of the syllabus, doubt clearing by the experts, that is by various teachers are there, reputed teachers are there, they will be helping you out throughout. Every time you will be getting personal guidance, preparation guidance you will be providing, and as you all know that we are working in Oliveboard, so that means everything will be exam centered. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for joining the session. I will be just waiting for you in our mentorship batch or RBI Grade B foundation course. Thank you.